Travis Beard.
He's here for.
Yeah, I mean, it's for me, two more than anywhere. Yeah, I'll let John know.
And you're Travis Beard.
Yes, that's.
You were indicted back in September for the state jail felony of burglary of a building. But that's not really the big problem. The big problem is a rich criminal history. I'm looking at, this goes back 23 years to 2002. State jail felony of theft out of Lee County, Texas conviction. Felony, state jail felony out of Bastrop County in 2019. Another burglary out of Bell County, Texas in 2022. Burglary, Milam County, Texas in 2023. Another burglary of a building in Milam County. Another unauthorized use of a motor vehicle in Milam County, all was in 23. Burglary of a building, 23, Milam County. Unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, Milam County. Burglary of a building, Travis County, where at least we're going to another county, but this is all hill country trouble. 2023, and then burglary of a building in Bastrop County in 2024. And then here, you're charged with burglary of a building here. They threw you out of Central Texas and
I was homeless at the time, and I was just, they were hitting me with burglary of building for sleeping in the whorehouse.
look, it's not their fault.
No, it's not their fault.
Okay,
Like mine, but
well, fix it somehow.
I did,
okay.
sir, and I didn't do this, sir.
All right, all right.
I might have looked that way because of my firm, but I did not do this, sir.
Well, hold on. Well, generally, they don't just make up stuff here. It's been my experience.
But they did kind of railroad.
Let's see.
But
Yeah.
they stacked them all on me on one, till they're all the same day. How can I do all those charges on one day? It's just a small town. Didn't like homeless people.
Say that again.
It was a small town and they didn't like homeless people.
This was in Port Neches. Don't insult Port Neches,
I'm
Texas.
not talking about this. I'm talking about the Lee County, the Hill Counties.
But you, sir, don't blame them. You got convicted of those crimes.
Took the conviction.
Oh, so you weren't guilty?
No, I took it. I'm playing guilty.
Okay. Well, accept responsibility when it's to be accepted and when you're responsible. Well, everybody has to look in the mirror and say, I'm responsible for my own behavior. When I foul up, which we all do, fix it. We fix it responsibly and then move on with our life and don't put that in the rearview mirror and move on. But you got too many burglaries of buildings here. Then here's another one.
I'll beat you.
Oh man. They got you with methamphetamine. It tested positive for methamphetamine. Come on.
So there was
So look, if you're homeless, the last thing you should be doing is using methamphetamine. That's not going to help you to be unhomeless. That's only going to dig the hole deeper, sir. Oh, okay. I know. I sound like your father talking.
Last time you talked to me, like, give me a job and all this. I did. I got a full-time job.
What are you doing?
I was like being firefighter gear.
Where at?
This year for plant. Right there out of New England Avenue.
Okay, so are you living in Beaumont
Yes, sir.
on 4136? Okay. Are they? Does he have two cases or just one?
Just one at the moment, Judge. We don't have anything from the other case that he was arrested on.
Oh, okay. So you're not waiting on labs or anything.
I can check if we're waiting on labs. It's not in our system yet. But usually for
Well,
drug
this
cases,
it's only September. Maybe that takes a while.
You're so little, and it's probably the test.
How much?
I
Look,
didn't have it, I picked up a bag,
look, you either have it,
with an empty bag.
it exists in whatever form or not in whatever way.
Yes, sir.
It either exists or doesn't exist. But you're not in a position with your rich criminal history to be getting into trouble, you know?
Sir, that's why I've been trying to get about walk the line.
All right, today, what we're going to do with Mr. Beard.
Judge, the offer was 5 years in pen, but he wanted to he said he wanted to talk to you and tell you that he did not commit this crime at all. Is that what you said?
Well,
I'm gonna take the trial, yes, sir.
all right, set for trial. Do you understand that you would not, if found guilty, you're not eligible for
Yes, sir.
probation because of your prior
I
criminal
know I'm not guilty.
convictions?
I do.
Well,
Maybe criminal trespassing, maybe. But not burglary of a building. That's what it is. It's not still not that's me.
you don't have to.
I know, but I didn't even take that. I didn't touch none of his stuff. I was on his property. That's it. After hours.
Well, let's see what the methamphetamine does too. They got that white substance, so they're looking for.
There wasn't enough there to test twice. It was test 3 times.
You sure know a lot about methamphetamine.
So, well, I mean, I used to do it, and then now I got my life right. I know. It's just having to be an empty bag and paraffin salt.
They say it's white powder. What was that? If it wasn't meth, what was it?
Somehow pill form. Pills.
So where are you getting that?
I didn't get it. I had
Well, what-
the bag.
Where'd you get the baggie?
They were in my pants.
How'd they get in your pants? Did you put them in there?
It wasn't, no, sir. It wasn't.
A stranger put them in your pants?
No, it wasn't my pants. I wear clothes. But my fine clothes are.
Well, you're
I checked.
waffling under weak cross-examination here. All right. So it's that set for trial, but we'll review it in 4 weeks, okay? Because I want to see where they're heading on any testing so that we know there may or may not be another, if there is or will not be another charge.
I'll confirm with the lab, Your Honor, see if that's coming forward or not.
Kiddo? Get a reset. Alex Briscoe?
He's here.
He's here.
And the memo is to have a GPS device. I checked with him. He does have his GPS device. Mr. Briscoe, you got to just look back up a little bit. Look, so I think today was to confirm that he had it. And
Well, what are we going to do with the aggravated assault?
I just want one more announcement, and I told Mr. Laird I'm gonna drop him off 2 thumb drives.
You're going to drop Mike off on Two Stone Drive?
No, I'm gonna give him some thumb drives.
He thinks he's gonna get the discovery faster than he normally. He's trying to cut procedure here to get it. So we'll see if it worked for him or not.
You're asking for 4 weeks? Are you asking for 4 weeks?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, get a resetting, sir. Thank you. Serenity Mary.
She's here on her judge, 1 max 2 weeks. I think that's gonna be weeks.
I didn't follow that one at all. You're asking for a resetting?
Just 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay. 2 weeks. We're gonna reset this 2 weeks, ma'am. Y'all are trying to work something out, I
Yeah.
think. Okay, get it resetting. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
I have David Graham, Matthew, Brent.
Yes, Judge,